Faceless animation channels are quietly taking over YouTube. Business, psychology, self improvement, you name it. But here's the secret nobody tells you. Most creators quit before they ever post their second video. Not because they lack ideas, but because their workflow is a nightmare. Too many tools, too many steps, too much confusion. Today I'm going to fix that. I will show you the exact workflow I used to go from zero to a fully edited animated video. It is fast, it is simple, and of course, it is repeatable. These four niches are absolutely dominating the animated content space right now. And the reason they work so well is not just the topic, it's the format. Every successful channel in these niches has picked one consistent visual style and they have stuck with it. That consistency is what builds identity, it builds trust, and then, of course, it builds subscribers. So we have different visual styles from 2D animations to 3D animations to watercolor to pencil art to stick art. So it's your choice to make, whichever one sits well with you. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to be working with the psychology niche. All right, one of the most consistent and profitable niches on YouTube right now. And the visual content we are going to be making use of, like the visual style, will be pencil art. All right, so let's get into the tutorial. All right, so for our script generation, we are going to be making use of Cloud. You can get Cloud on Google Play Store, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for that, okay? All right, so the next thing you want to do after downloading Cloud is you want to make use of this prompt. All you need to do is to put your title where you see your title here. That is exactly what you want to do. Just put your title there and then click generate. So you are going to get something like this. You are going to get a file like this. So what you want to do next is to copy that. All right, so I'm making use of my OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. So I copied that. I copied what it gave to me and then I pasted it right there. So this way I'm able to organize my script. Now what happens is that this particular script, I'm also going to be making use of it to generate my images. So I want to have it in a separate space. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make use of this particular prompt that I've given to you to now generate images. This is exactly what the images, the image prompt would look like. So you want to take the prompt right there and you are going to save them on your OneNote. Remember, you saved your scripts. You will also want to save your image prompt in another file. This is how you are able to maintain an organized workflow. All right, so the next step is quite easy. You want to copy your prompt. Of course, you know that every prompt is given to you for every line of your script. So you want to copy that and come to Google Flow. All right, so you paste that right there and you begin to generate your images. So let's see what image we have. This is the first image that we are getting here. And we have the second as well. So these are the images I've been able to generate, quite a number of them. Just copy the prompt, go to Google Flow, and then you are able to generate images just like this. All right, so this is what you keep on doing until you are done with every image prompt on your script. This is where you now begin to go about your editing. All right, so this is where we are going to stop for today. Now you have gotten your niche, your visual format, your script, your images, and your files are organized and ready. But here's what I did not show you today. How do you get a voiceover for your video? Not just any voice, the kind of smooth, professional AI voiceover that you hear on your biggest channels. And how do you actually create thumbnails that get people to click? All right, I did not show you how to do all of these things because it will take a lot of time on this video. So I'm going to be doing that in the coming videos. So make sure to follow this channel because I'm going to be posting some of this next and I do not want you to miss out on them. Do well to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one, and do take care of yourself.